Imagine stepping into a world where speed, precision, and adrenaline collide. A world where every twist of the road whispers one name: Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS. This isn't just a car, it's an invitation to a driving experience so visceral it feels like the road itself is alive. From the very first glance, the GT4 RS demands your attention, with its low-slung, aerodynamic body screaming performance and purpose. Its aggressive front splitter, massive rear wing, and sculpted lines aren't just for show, they're the result of meticulous engineering, designed to keep the car glued to the asphalt at high speeds. But don't let the stunning exterior distract you too long, because the real story lies under the hood. Nestled at its core is a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, borrowed directly from the legendary 911 GT3. It delivers a jaw-dropping 493 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque, screaming to a redline of 9,000 RPM. That means you're holding the reins of a car that can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds and hit a top speed of 196 miles per hour. Imagine that, raw, unfiltered power at your command, paired with a precision-engineered chassis that makes every corner feel like a playground. And here's the kicker: Porsche didn't just stop at giving it power, they fine-tuned this machine to perfection. The aerodynamics are razor-sharp, the downforce is relentless, and the handling? Well, let's just say the GT4 RS doesn't just hug the road, it dominates it. Slide inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's all about you and the drive. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara are everywhere, reducing unnecessary weight while creating a race-inspired aesthetic. Racing bucket seats keep you locked in place, ensuring you can focus entirely on the drive ahead. The steering wheel feels like an extension of your hands, the paddle shifters respond with millisecond precision, and the sound, oh, the sound. With the engine mounted just inches behind your head, the roar of the flat-six is a symphony of power and passion, amplified through lightweight titanium exhausts for an unforgettable auditory experience. But that's not all. The GT4 RS is armed with Porsche's lightning-quick 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, allowing seamless gear changes and ensuring that every ounce of power is transferred directly to the rear wheels. The suspension is a work of art, featuring Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, adjustable dampers, and a ride height optimized for maximum performance. Even the tires are specially chosen Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, offering unparalleled grip on both the track and the road. And here's the part that keeps everyone talking: the GT4 RS isn't just about numbers or specs, it's about an emotional connection. It's about feeling every vibration, hearing every rev, and knowing that every inch of this car was designed for the thrill of driving. The Porsche engineers poured their souls into this machine, and it shows. Every press of the accelerator, every shift of the gear, and every turn of the wheel feels like pure artistry. This isn't just a Porsche, it's a culmination of decades of motorsport expertise. From the Nürburgring to the open road, the GT4 RS embodies the spirit of racing heritage. It's not merely a car, it's a statement, a declaration that driving should be exhilarating, challenging, and unforgettable. So, the question isn't whether the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS is the ultimate driver's car, it's whether you're ready to meet it on its level. Because this car isn't just a ride, it's a challenge. Are you ready to take it on?